In this video, I will show you how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once you're done with that, I want you to open a new tab and we're going to type myaccount.google.com. Now, once we're in here, we're going to click on security. Under security, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on two-step verification. Now we already have our two-step verification on, so to turn it off, it says your account is protected with two-step verification, and there's a button here at the bottom that says turn off two-step verification. We're going to click on that, and it says turning off two-step verification will remove extra security on your account, and you're going to click on turn off. Once you click on turn off, it's going to turn off, and that's how you turn off two-step verification in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.